Welcome back to Car Zoomer, the place where speed, power, and insanity collide. Today, what you're about to see isn't just another Ferrari. This isn't even just a hypercar. The Ferrari SF100XX Mansory 2026 is something else entirely. It feels like a declaration of war on everything slow, subtle, or sensible. It doesn't arrive quietly. It doesn't ask for attention. It takes it. Mansory didn't tune this car. They weaponized it. From the moment this machine appears on screen, you realize something is different. One look is all it takes. The body is stretched wide, wrapped in exposed carbon, fiber and drenched in a glowing red pearl, finish that looks alive under the light. It feels less like paint and more like molten energy flowing over the surface. Every line is aggressive, every vent intentional. This thing looks like it. Escaped from a superhero movie and decided traffic laws were optional. At the front, the design hits you like a punch. The triple splitter setup looks inspired by jet fighters, slicing the air before it even touches the car. The headlights are razor-sharp, slimmer, angrier, and focused like the eyes of a predator locked onto its prey. Massive air intakes dominate the face, pulling in oxygen like the car is already breathing heavily before the race begins. And then there's the hood vent huge, dramatic and straight out of a spaceship, telling you this Ferrari lives at speeds most cars can't even imagine. Move along the side and the drama continues. The stance alone is intimidating. Golden forged wheels fill the arches perfectly, wrapped in absurdly wide tires that look like they could tear chunks out of the asphalt. Even standing still, the SF100XX looks fast, like it's leaning forward, impatient, waiting to be unleashed. The carbon weave contrasts with gold accents in a way that feels both luxurious and ruthless. Its beauty sharpened into a weapon. But everything you've seen so far is just foreplay, because under the skin lies absolute madness. This Ferrari is powered by a twin-turbocharged V12 producing over 1,700 horsepower. Let that sink in. This isn't about balance or restraint. This is raw, unapologetic excess. 0 to 100 kilometers per hour happens in roughly 2.1 seconds, and the top speed pushes beyond 440 kilometers per hour. These aren't numbers anymore, they're statements. And the sound? The sound is unforgettable. When this engine comes alive, it's not just loud. It's emotional. Turbo whistles slice through the air, followed by the deep, violent scream of a V12 at full attack. It's like thunder echoing inside an opera house, refined, dramatic, and completely overwhelming. You don't just hear it, you feel it in your chest. At the rear, the SF100XX looks like it's ready to take off. Quad titanium exhausts glow like jet engines under throttle, spitting heat and fury. The diffuser is massive, carved to slice air in half at extreme speed. And the spoiler? It doesn't whisper. It shouts a clear message to anyone behind. Don't even try to follow. Open the door and the interior tells a different kind of story, one of control, precision, and obsession. Forget comfort. Forget softness. This cabin exists for domination. Black Alcantara wraps every surface, stitched in gold and red, creating a space that feels like an Italian opera house merged with a fighter jet cockpit. The seats grip you tightly, locking your body in place as if the car is saying, "You're not leaving until this ride is over." The steering wheel feels alive in your hands, packed with controls that put the car's power directly at your fingertips. The digital cluster greets you with exclusive Mansory graphics, reminding you that this is no ordinary Ferrari. Every detail exists for a reason. Nothing is decorative. Everything is functional. And then there's the aerodynamics. Active flaps, fins, and spoilers constantly adjust in real time, reading speed, throttle, and steering inputs. It's like artificial intelligence built purely for speed. The car thinks ahead, adapting to the road before you even realize what's happening. Driving it isn't just driving, it's theater. The steering feels telepathic, responding instantly to the slightest movement. The traction is unreal, like the tires are glued to the road. Every corner becomes a dance between chaos and control, power and precision. The car constantly reminds you that it could destroy you, but chooses not to as long as you respect it. And then comes the final truth about the Ferrari SF100XX Mansory 2026. Only a handful of these machines will ever exist. The price? Millions. And if you have to ask, you're not the target customer. This car isn't built for collectors who want something pretty in a garage. It's built for the ruthless. This isn't Ferrari following rules. This is Ferrari, through Mansory, breaking them on purpose. The SF100XX Mansory 2026 isn't about being reasonable. It's about being unforgettable. A rebellion on four wheels. This isn't Ferrari following rules. This is Ferrari, through Mansory, breaking them on purpose. The SF100XX Mansory 2026 isn't about being reasonable. It's about being unforgettable. A rebellion on four wheels. A machine designed not just to win but to intimidate, dominate, and leave legends behind.